Teresa Curlyberg with Bear Creek Felting.
And I am Chris Armbrust with Dakota Fiber Mill, and together we are Shepherd Industries here at the Nome Schoolhouse.
If you're not familiar with what we're doing here at the Nome Schoolhouse, you can check it out at nomeschoolhouse.com. You can follow us on Facebook and here on YouTube. We're renovating an old school to be a fiber arts retreat center, a place where you can come and stay and experience everything fiber arts. So, not only fiber arts, but other arts as well, and crafts. So,
Absolutely, wonderful.
And we're here to share with you the projects we've been working on, the products we're developing, and what we've been doing here at the school, and to answer your questions. So if you have any questions about our school, fiber arts related, sheep related, you can ask that in the comments section below this video, and we will answer your question. Next week, we also give out a prize. We do a drawing for the prize. So if you comment at all underneath the video, you'll be put into the drawing for a prize. So, and stay tuned to the end for the prize giveaway from last week.
And remember, if you're on a phone, you have to scroll way down to the bottom to put your comment in. All right.
So,
All right. Well, these aside, what I have been working on this week is I'm continuing to perfect the prototypes for our felted feline line. We are going to be expanding this. And these are the little Catnip infused felted cat toys with yarn. And this is what they're going to look like, and we'll be offering these for sale on the felted feline line at Bear Creek Felting. If you click on Nome Schoolhouse, it'll also link you right to that. And these are the felted catnip infused alpaca and wool pads that they roll on and lay on, and they absolutely love them. They sit and lick them, and they just, yes.
yeah, we, like her cat when she was making them, was so excited that he pulled it right down off the drying rack to play with it.
Yes, and he never does that. It was just bizarre.
And they like to just lay on them and roll around on them, and then they'll curl them up and kick them. Kick them up, and I have two cats, and one of them really plays with it a lot, and the other one will just go sit. I don't know if he's absorbing through his belly, or but
it's a relaxation tool for them. It just mellows them out, but yeah, they just love them. And I think it's something to do with that it's infused in the wet. I wet felt to get this felt, and I think it really
must activate.
Yeah, something. It just because. Yeah, I mean, we've tried these on several cats and folks that we know, and like my mother, for instance, has a big old Maine Coon cat that never plays with toy, much too stoic to play with a toy, and absolutely went crazy over these little guys. So, yeah. So.
And it's not only the catnip, because cats really like wool.
Yeah.
They like to
so.
sleep in it. Yeah. If you want to find one of our cats, they'll be curled up in wool somewhere.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. So this is we'll be offering these for sale soon, the whole line, and we are developing more products in regards to that too. So we'll keep you posted on that. So.
Any ideas or needs you have for your cats that involves felt?
Yeah,
we'd love to hear
know.
Any ideas? So you can put that in the comment section below. That'll give you extra points.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes. So this week, well, actually more than this week, we've been working at our farm at rotating our sheep around the pasture. We got new fencing, and we are every day we go out there and we move them to new grass, which will help the grass, which will help the soil, and it will help the sheep as well with any problems with worms and things. So it has many benefits. It is a little labor intensive, but you have to go out there and move them, but it's also a good excuse to go out there and check them and get a good look at them. So every evening, me and my husband go out and move them to their new, and we have like a portable water, and then we pour it into their thing, and then we just move everything along. So we're learning as we go what we should do, what we should buy.
That's perfect.
So,
That's perfect.
Yeah, that's what we've been busy with.
And we'll incorporate that here at the school too. Yeah, with our sheep, because we have limited pasture here. We only have about 17 acres, so.
Yeah, and and sheep are really bad at overgrazing. they like pull the grass out at the roots, and where this way they're just trampling it down and they're leaving their manure all over in that area, and it's great for the soil, and it helps the grass and everything develop roots so that it'll be better pasture that we're creating. So yeah.
Awesome. Do you do that for your cattle too?
We haven't started that yet. Yeah, we don't have enough. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. We don't have enough fencing for that.
Yeah, fencing's very expensive.
Yeah. Yeah, right now we're using electric fence, so it's easily moved for the sheep. But yeah, we don't have a big enough space for the cows. What we will do is we'll put the cows in first, and they eat certain kinds of grass, and then the sheep eat different kinds of grass. So they'd come in next after the cows were through. So
and clean it up in a different way. Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, and the next, what else we did this week was we filmed lesson number 2 of our dye course that we're working on together. That's available in the academy.
Yep, it's available in the academy. It's called It's a do-it-yourself guide to dyeing natural fibers. And we did the first part a couple weeks ago, which was dyeing 101, and that was just the basics of dyeing.
Yeah, we dyed raw fiber, we dyed roving, we dyed some yarn, just
showing you exactly what you need to do. And then this one was our second one, and I'm adding that to the course, and that's all available in the Bear Creek Needle Felting Academy. And those are video courses, mostly about needle felting, but we're adding more and more, like washing wool and
all the stuff.
And there will be more. But when we're finished making the full course, it will be available separately, so that you can take the dye course all by itself. You wouldn't necessarily have to join the academy to take it. So,
but join the academy. It's awesome. So much information in there. So much information. But anywho, we did this particular one was on hand painted. Doing still self-striping yarn and just hand-painted, having fun in that way. And this is what we did on the course. This is the base. We used some great, because you can dye. You don't have to dye just white yarn. You could dye fawns and grays, and this is what it is. So
yeah. So in the course, you got to watch Chris actually doing it on every one of these, on how to get this is self-striping. So how to get it to do that, and how to get it blended, and so
they're pretty on different. These are different fibers, so to see how that was all done. Yeah, great fun. So much fun to do that.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yes. There we go. All right. Ooh, on to our questions. Yay. Okay, we're going to go ahead and read the questions like we did, because that's fun, and everyone can hear.
We love the questions.
Yeah.
And the comments.
I can hardly wait to open them up. All right. And here is one. Great news for both of you. EWE. We love that. That was awesome. Absolutely good. I have a booth at our local craft and farm market, wondering if you sell to resellers. I'm sorry. I would be interested in the shoe inserts. And yes, I have wholesale them. So email.
Yeah, on our contact form. Yeah, you can get a hold of us.
Yeah, and then we'll visit on that and how that works. So yeah, thank you for that. Yeah, absolutely. And here she received her wool roving. This is the one that won, and the dyed peacock Romney and Cornwall wool blend today. The colors are gorgeous. The yarn has a soft feel to it. Great for a scarf. Thank you. I look forward to each new episode. What an amazing restoration of the schoolhouse you have undertaken. And we absolutely love it. It is our passion. Yes, and just purchased your prize for next week. Always more shoes to line. Thanks for all your info.
Yeah, so the prize for, these people.
The will be drawing for is the shoe inserts.
The shoe inserts that we talked about in the last episode. So if you didn't watch that one, you'll have to go back and watch. And those are the insoles.
Yep, the Alpaca Plus insoles that have the activated charcoal, cornstarch, and baking soda. Proprietary blend, felted right in, and then a set of alpaca coasters too.
Yeah, that will be the prize for.
Yep.
those that ask questions here. So.
Yes, yes. And another is, oh good gravy, that big glass hutch in the video room is amazing. And that hutch that sits right here is the actual original trophy case. We're so blessed to have it. The trophies are going to be moving back into, and that will be in our Nome room, where we will be next door, the classroom next door to this classroom, and that'll house all of our wonderful treasures we have found.
And it's in excellent shape. We don't have to do much
I know, it's
anything
beautiful, and it's so cool. Yeah, the entire inside is felted. It's made out of felt, and it's just, even the shelves, it's amazing. Yeah, so well built. Alrighty. Okay, I want a getaway week, where you do a little bit of everything: needle felting, wet felting, spinning, weaving, so on and so forth. I keep bringing it up to all my wool-loving group, and we all can't wait. Any ideas on who you are looking at for needle felting teachers? We can't wait. Of course, needle felting, like the little snowman here and the critters. Of course, you'll have the pleasure of working with the best in the world right here next to me, Teresa herself. But we'll be bringing in other needle felting experts for like the flat landscape needle felting.
And those that make the vases and all those things, we will definitely be bringing in. If you have recommendations, ones teachers that you'd like to see, please let us know.
Let us know. We have a list going.
Yes.
Yep, have contacted some that have shown interest in coming from all over the nation. We'll pull them in. So, awesome.
And then as for a getaway with all of those things, yes, and there's going to be space here and equipment for you to use that you can come. Like, we'll probably have days that you can do it. We're not sure yet. Yeah. But where you can come during the week and just hang out here and use the tools and things, and
you bet, and learn and see what you like to do. Do you like to weave? Do you like to hand spin? Do you like to have, and we will have a fiber sampler retreat where you will get to try for a little, with some teaching and some guidance, all of the, touching on all of the different fiber arts. So
yeah, if you came during the week just to hang out, you wouldn't have like an instructor necessarily, but you get to play with the stuff and try things out. But
Awesome. Yes. Great video. Fun watching your progress. What will be the capacity of the event center? And that will be 300 seated guests. We will have round tables that we'll be using for like events of a dinner or a wedding or so on and so forth. And then also we can set it up conference style. We can get more folks in that way, 400 to 500 if we set it up in rows, conference style.
Yeah.
So,
and if you're not familiar with the event center, that's the gym that's connected to the school that we're fixing up, and that will be an event center. That will be where we'll have like the big portions of our retreats, like like big gatherings and things. But and classrooms within here. But that will be an event center for weddings and reunions, any type of business event or anything.
Yep, small or large. Yep, absolutely. Love the sheep family. Thank you for the tour. Those arch ceilings in the gym are amazing. Yes, they are, and the shape that they're in. Oh, it's so cool. It's going to make a great event room. Can't wait to try your shoe insoles. I usually get ones from Cloud9, but I will be definitely trying yours out. Thanks again for making us feel more like family than just customers. Oh, thank you so much, Laura.
Yes, thank you.
Yes. So impressed with your project and determination. Hope I can come stay for a class or two, from Ennis, Montana.
Well, I hope so too.
Yes, we do too. Absolutely. Nice building. Good luck. I would guess that you are having weaving classes. Are you going to have looms? Yes. Yes.
We will have looms for you to use.
Of all different sizes.
And we'll have looms for sale, so if you decide you like doing that, we'll be selling them as well.
Yeah, everything from like a basic peg loom up to a floor loom, so absolutely. What a great project you both have taken on. Love the beautiful school. Recently got the pumpkin felting kit. Hope to start it soon. That's a cute one. Do I understand correctly that you will have rooms available at the school for people to visit for a few days? Yes, we will. We will have 12 to 14 probably B&B rooms, some double rooms, some single rooms. Each room will have its own bathroom. And we'll also have camping hookups, about 14 camping hookups if you want to haul your camper and stay that way. But yes, you can stay right here in the school. Absolutely.
And we wish we could tell you could book now.
I know. We've had so many folks trying to book now, and
we're not quite ready for that yet. So
yeah, maybe in another few months we'll have a little better handle on our timeline as far as when next year that'll be. We can start pre-booking for those rooms.
Yeah, same for weddings and things. We've had people interested in booking for that. Well, we're hopefully getting done with the gym this fall.
Yeah.
And we're planning on working in there.
Yeah, we're going to bring some milling equipment, and then we can do some. We'll have space in for some events and whatnot that we'll do. Of course, we'll do a big kickoff when that is done. We'll have a big party. So
we're replacing the roof on the school building.
Yeah.
Before winter, but
hopefully
you're going to start the rest of the construction right away in the spring.
Yes.
So hopefully by next fall.
Yes.
We'll be ready to book.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, and on that note, we got some very good news about the school's roof. We were told that it was going to be a little tight time frame getting the new roof on the school portion. They're probably, I don't know, a fourth done on the roof on the gym and working steadily on that. Today you don't hear any hammering because it's raining, and it's kind of supposed to rain all day, so we don't have the crew out here today, which is kind of sad. But they got good news from the truss company and the structural engineers and whatnot. Within 2 weeks, they'll have the trusses ready for the roof on the school, so we'll have that. All the roofs will be done on both the school and the gym in mid-October, so that is a blessing.
And there'll be videos.
As we go
all
here.
That action.
Yes. They'll have a crane come in to put the new trusses on set the new trusses. That'll be kind of cool to watch. So
yes, I'm excited.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah.
So now we need to draw for the prize.
Yep.
So there was
15 of them. So I've got them numbered over here.
I will pick 3.
Frances, you are the winner.
So what you need to do is just use the contact form at Bear Creek Felting with your address, and we will send out your prize.
Yes, congratulations, the insoles and the coasters.
Yes.
And next week we are going to do off of the hand painted skein that we did on the die course lesson. Yep, and this is a 4-ply. This is an alpaca with a little wool blend in it. It's beautiful, and we're going to be giving this away along with almost 2 ounces, a little sampler here of our spinning roving. And this particular one is 80% alpaca, 10% mohair, and 10% blue silk, which it's 3 different kinds of blue silk, and it's absolutely gorgeous, a delight to spin, and kind of a little intro into our spinning lines of roving that will be up on the website soon, which are all wonderful blends of silks and different types of natural fibers that they're just a delight to spin with, because they're nice and loose, so they draft really nice if you're a hand spinner, and they're all different colors and whatnot. So this will be.
And if you don't know how to spin and you win the prize, you'll have to come visit and we'll teach you.
Yes, because it doesn't expire. We'll wait for you, and so that'd be good.
All right. Well, that is all we have for today, and we really appreciate you watching. If you want to find any of our products, you can find them at nomeschoolhouse.com or bearcreekfelting.com, and we will see you on the next episode.
Bye.